Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another tutorial on how to achieve this twist using Brazilian wool. This is my very first time I attempt this hairstyle, and hopefully once you try you'll get better result than mine. If you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. But if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly consider subscribing, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share with your loved ones. So I start by parting the lines. You may decide small size or bigger, and then I apply gel on the line after I part the line for the first time. Then I redo the line to make sure I get clean lines and everything is good. When I part the lines, I realize my client hair in back is very short, so I decided to do twist box braid in back so that this hairstyle can last longer. But then before I braid back, I just go ahead and prepare the base of the line first, then later I'll come back and braid back. To start, I just start with very small section, but here you may decide either to work with big section or small. This is your option, but at the first time I just make small section and I just leave it there. Then the second section, after I part, I just go ahead and divide that hair into 3. Then I start to do braid, just a normal braid. You may decide to pick from right or left, and then make sure one section is back, then pick from right and left. It's a little bit difficult to explain on how to braid. Hopefully the more you watch this video you will understand more than my explanation. So again, I part the section, and every time after I part, I apply some gel on the section I part just to make sure I hold all the hair together, and then the section is also clean. Then I divided the section into 3. Then I prepare base by braid. I didn't braid long, I just braid like 8 to 10 steps, and then I stop there. I go ahead on another section. This is what I do, and I repeat exactly the same thing to the rest. To prepare base of this line, and this is how the line looks like. So before I braid this line, I go ahead and I braid this back section first. And here you may decide to go with any size of the twist, but then I follow the lines. I use Brazilian wool, as I said earlier in this video. So here you have to make sure the wool you are putting middle of this two section. One supposed to be on top and another supposed to be under, so that you can roll this wool well together with natural hair and you can hold the hair well. And then roll in different direction. One you have to roll going front and other one going in opposite direction. Here I roll till I feel the hair is tight enough. Then I start make twists. I just make the normal twist. I make sure I roll both sides before I twist, because once you roll both sides, you'll get even twist. And once I feel like the hair is too much, I apply a little gel so that I can hold all the hair well, or I can tuck in all the hair. And then I keep twisting till end of this line. Then I secure twice. Okay, again, just make section, apply some gel to make sure you will hold all the hair. One section go up of the wool and another one goes under. And then as you can see, I'm rolling going in different direction. If you use this method, you'll find out you hold all the hair well and you roll the hair very well. And then after you roll, you feel the wool and the hair is tight enough, not too tight, then start make twist. Once you make twist, make sure you'll not release the wool, because once you release the wool, then the twist will unravel. Make sure you twist both sides, then make twist and keep going just the same way. When you're making twists, don't make too tight or too loose, just make normal way, make your hands relax. And this is how the lines look at the back. And then now I'm going to start braid this line. The first section I didn't braid, I just make sure I apply some gel, and then I use 2 strands. I started with 2 strands of wool. It means the whole line I'll add 2 strands. But once you start with 1 strand, make sure the whole line you add 1 strand every time. So then I make sure I roll both sides in different direction as I did in back. After I feel I roll enough, then I start make twists. At the beginning, you have to make at least 3 twists so that you can hold the hair well and you can reach on the next section. And after that, just add natural hair. You just add 1 section you braid, roll going front, and then add 2 strands of wool, roll together, another section roll going opposite direction. You may roll maybe 3 times, 4 times till you feel like it is tight enough, then make twists. Again, add hair. You may apply a little bit of gel to make it easy for you to hold all the hair together and tuck in all the hair easily. And after this, make sure the wool cover well natural hair. Once you cover well natural hair, you'll find this style come out more nice, and this style will last longer. Again, before you twist, make sure you roll both sides and then twist. Make twists and pull the hair again, just like this way. It's very easy once you prepare your base before you braid. You can see how easy it is to just add 1 section and then apply some gel, tuck in and roll a little, then make twist. Here I'll keep adding wool till I feel I have enough wool to tuck in my client's hair. Then I'll stop, add wool, and just keep going, add her natural hair till end of this line. But normally I will add wool till at least over half of this line, then I will stop in case you are a beginner. Yeah, just keep add wool after you pass half of the line, add at least 2 more, then you'll find you have enough wool to keep braid the entire line. I almost done with braiding hair. So after I braid till end of this line, I go ahead and I trim off all excess wool, and after that I burn the end of this wool because my client shows okay for me to burn end of this wool. So after that I'll come back with final results, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.